Hey guys, welcome to Top 9 Info. So today I'm going to give you health benefits of beetroot. Point number 1. Lower blood pressure. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, thereby lowering blood pressure and preventing hypertension. Point number 2. Promote liver detoxification. Betaines in beets stimulate the functions of the liver and keep it healthy. Also, pectine, a water-soluble fiber in this root vegetable, helps flush out toxins from the liver. Point number 3. Prevent anemia. Red beetroots have a significant amount of iron, which helps prevent anemia and boost the regeneration of red blood cells. Point number 4. Prevent cancer. Studies have revealed that beets are good at preventing skin, lungs and colon cancer since they contain the pigment beta-cineins which counteract cancerous cell growth. Point number 5. Improve heart health. Betaine present in beets is a powerful bioactive compound that helps lower the level of homocysteine in the body. Point number 6. Boost endurance and stamina. Beet juice has shown to improve athletic performance in runners, swimmers and cyclists, making it an interesting sport drink that most people would never consider. Point number 7. Increase energy levels. Beets contain a significant amount of carbohydrates that provide energy for prolonged sport activities. Point number 8. Brain health. Beet improves brain neuroplasticity because of the nitrate present in it. Point number 9. Boost blood detoxification. Beets are an excellent blood cleanser as the betaline in beets help promote liver cleanse.